Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Expandable Luggage with spinner wheels in the checked medium 24-inch size. It has over 10,000 ratings on Amazon with a 4.7 star average. And also feel free to check out all of Samsonite's luggage. They make great long-lasting products. And if the color black as seen here isn't for you, you can get it in Caribbean blue, red, silver, teal, white, bronze, burnt orange, navy, purple, and radiant pink. Wow. And you can also go bigger with a large checked 28-inch bag or a smaller carry-on size 20-inch bag. And they offer 2-piece sets and 3-piece sets as well. This case is great for longer trips. It weighs just over 8 pounds, comes with a 10-year limited warranty, and the micro diamond polycarbonate texture is extremely scratch resistant, which keeps your case beautiful trip after trip. Let me share with you this fantastic review of the product. And this is a verified purchase from Kevin F. He says, "Great durable bag that now has made it through around 25 to 30 flights since I bought it. Still going strong and no signs of significant wear or damage. I travel weekly and this has been very dependable and great at keeping my clothes dry when it's been out in the rain. Highly recommended for the frequent traveler." So there you go. Order yours today. It's available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it.